So as y'all can hear in the background, we got Robbie pressure washing. It looks good. This probably here is all dirt. Yeah, that's all dirt there. You see kind of a little streak, that's dirt. It's just dirt, Robbie. Blow it away. Yeah, you see? See how it's, yeah, you see how it's, that's clean. Looks good. Looks freaking good. Y'all can see the difference here. We already did this section over here. Been here about 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah, so we'll be done here in a little bit. But I think I'm gonna grab the weed eater now and trim out all the cracks and stuff. And as soon as it gets done with this block, I'm gonna pull the car back up. And so yeah, we're doing good. But we gotta clean out our gutters and stuff one day for her soon, I think. She wants us to do that, and we're gonna pressure wash the house and the roof and stuff like that. So we'll do a video on that. I've only pressure washed one roof in my life, and there's only one way to do it, and you have to go from the top down. So, and we're gonna probably use the surface cleaner and turn the pressure down on the pressure washer. You can turn it down a little bit. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, so it looks good. And we're just gonna let Rob finish this block here, and I'll probably do the rest. I did all this here, all the way up to that little block there, and he's doing the next block. So looks good. All right, I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. Looks a hell of a lot better. We got the BR600 and the FS90R there. I couldn't find my brush, but I really need it, my wire brush for the track. But Robbie's doing a good job. And if you live in the area and you're looking for a job, then maybe we can work something out, because I think we're gonna need some more help here in just about a month or so. No, the other way. Flip it. No, you gotta. Alright. Check back up with you in a minute. Alright, so we're almost done. Surface cleaner broke. I gotta adjust it. I just don't have the tools to do it. But it broke like right up there. So we've been doing it the whole way, just about by hand. And it's looking okay. It's not looking good, but perfect, but it's gonna have to do.